Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to be learning how to create glass morphism. This particular glass where I wrote the text inside, that is called glass morphism, and that is what we are going to be learning how to create. It's pretty much easy. All right, please, if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscription button right now. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime we drop amazing content like this. Thank you so much. So let's start without wasting much time. So you open your PixelLab. Alright, I believe you already have your PixelLab, so you open it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to import my background. So let me import my background. So I'll import my background. So this is what I use. I actually blur it. I downloaded the background and then blur it. Alright, so I can drop it in the description below if you need it. Alright, so just let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to like and share this video. So the next thing to do quickly is to create a shape. Yeah, let's leave the shape this way. Create a shape like this. This is the color we want to use for it. Let's use this particular color. Yeah, let's use this particular color for it. Or no, let's use this. Yeah, this is the color code 2BCD blah 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 blah. So just copy it and paste. Right, so we align this to the center. Yeah, so you create another shape quickly. So you create another color copy. Create another shape. Yeah, created another shape. So the shape will be this particular color, or let's make it this one. So you reduce it. This color is the color here, 2B85B7. So that's just it. So you reduce it to this point. I think you're okay. So you bring it to this point like this. All right. So the next thing to do is to create another shape. So you create another shape. Yeah, this time we are going to give it a gradient color. This is the color we are going to use. This is it. You make this color yellow and make it transparent. Let me open it so that you see it. Transparent. How to make? Just move this to the end. It becomes transparent. Okay. So this color is this is the color code EE and the rest. Okay. So you go back. That's just it. So you move this one downward. Move it downward. Reduce it. Okay. Reduce it a little bit. Yeah. So the next thing to do is copy the shape again, create another shape this time. You give it this particular color, reduce it a little bit. So you move this one down to this point like this. Yeah, I think we are good to go. Now the next thing to do is we are going to create a shape we are going to use for our glass morphism. Alright, so just increase the radius to about 9. Yeah, to about 9. Increase this a little, increase this a little, increase this size a little. Yeah, I think you're okay this way. So you quickly you use your relative to move it to the center. Yeah, move it to the center. Now pull it off, put off the layer. Now you are going to merge this particular thing together, excluding the white. So merge it. So merge, or don't merge, just go ahead and save. Now watch what I'm going to do. I want it to come out blur, so I'm going to change this size. First, you are going to leave it on custom. Okay, so you save it on, leave this to 20. Then this also, this is how to blur using PixelLab. Okay, so now this is going to be our saving 2020. Okay, because it's square. So that is it. So now just watch what is going to happen. So let's import what we just saved right now. So I'm going to import what we just saved right now. So you see it. So can you see that? So this is how you blur using what's it called, PixelLab. A lot of people don't know this technique. Alright, so this is it. So we move this to the back. Let's move it to the back. You need to create this blur. Alright, so you move it to the back. Fine, it's hidden, right? Yes, also we'll use it when we want it. So now we are going to this is what we are going to use to create a glass morphism. If to create a glass morphism, the shape you want to use you must use a shape with a color. You must use a color that the color is not on the background. So we don't have white anywhere in the background, right? So let's use white. If I have white, I will choose a different color. Choose a color that is not on the background. So let's merge them together. Everything, merge it together. So you merge everything together. Done. Alright, go to color eraser, go to your tool, look for color eraser. Yeah, this tool, color eraser, look for it, put it on. And you see the white has disappeared. That's because it's white. White normally disappear like that. Now go to smooth edges, the second one, increase it a little bit. Yeah, we want the edges to be very smooth, very close. Now you come to shadow, put on your shadow. Yeah, now give your shadow white color. Yeah, give your shadow white color, make sure it is pure white. All right. So the next thing to do is reduce your radius to somewhere around 4, then increase your off x, increase it a little bit, somewhere around 4 also. And you can see we want the light to come as if it is coming from this angle at that top. You can see this top here as if the light is coming from that point. So that is why we make it this 4-4. You can just play around, come to inner shadow. This inner shadow is optional. Okay, you can put the inner shadow if you like. If you like, you will remove it. So you reduce it. Okay, so inner shadow reduce. I'm going to reduce my reduce. Okay, so let me give my off x 1. All right, so let me reduce. Go ahead, reduce the opacity. Click on this plus icon, reduce this particular slide. All right, yeah, you can see it has reduced. So you click on OK. So let's lock this layer. So that's just it. You can see we have created our, what's it called? So the next thing you want to start doing now is to bring in your image quickly. Bring in your image. Just let me know in the section if you need anything I use. Bring in your image. Alright, so that's the image I used. So you bring in this image to this point. Yeah. So you lock. Can you see it's taking shape now? So the next thing you want to do is I use the flower. So let me bring in that flower quickly. So let me just bring in everything I need. I use the flower. So come up to random image. So this is the flower I used. Yeah, so you drop one here, you move it to this point, you duplicate it, then you move it to this point this way like this. Yeah, you're taking shape. You lock. So the next thing to do now is to create your birthday, happy birthday, whatever. So you have your birthday, you have happy. For my font, I'm going to be using Bebas. Sorry, I didn't do something for creating this font, but I'm going to come to that after this now, after creating fonts. So I use Bebas. That was what I used, Bebas Noah. You can download it, okay? It's downloadable. Alright, so this is what I'm going to be using, Bebas. So for the font, you give it come to the inner shadow, put in the inner shadow. You know this is white, so you make the color of the inner shadow hash. Make it hash color, not white. Hash color. Can you see? Don't give it pure white. You want to create a kind of chromatic contrast. Okay, so we give it hash color. So you reduce this. Okay, so you increase this by 3. Increase this also by 3. Can you see the way it has changed a little bit? So let's leave this here. Now we are going to create another shape quickly. This shape is what we are going to use to create a kind of color inside your glass morphism, to dictate the kind of color you want to create for your glass morphism. Okay, so yeah, I haven't created a shape. Reduce the opacity to somewhere around 50 or to any color, depending on how you want it to be. So I'll reduce it to 45. Right, so the color is going to be the color. I'll give it this particular color. I like this color. Yeah, let's give it this color. Which one? Yeah, it depends. Okay, when you are done, just give it white. You can choose any color you want. Come to color, put on your color. You can choose this color, you can choose this color. First of all, take it to the back, bring it under this particular, under this. You can see under this this layer, bring it under. Okay, so you click on it now. After you have clicked on it, let's change the color to something that will be welcoming to white. Okay, I think this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. So let's use this. So we have happy birthday. So let's get our birthday. Copy birthday. So you can, I want to create a kind of contrast. All right. So yeah, happy birthday. So but I use a particular text effect. Let me know in the comment section if you need this text effect. Okay, so you connect with me on the WhatsApp. So this is it. You can save a text effect on your style and use it anytime you want. So I'm going to use a particular text effect I saved already. So this is the text effect. This is it. So I'll just come here and release it. That's the perspective 2. Release the perspective 2. So this is it. Happy birthday. Create. Align it to the center. Move it up a little bit. Yeah. So the next thing to do quickly is I want to create a quote, a very small quote. Alright, a very small quote, a very short quote rather. Let's delete it and create something else. Let me use this particular. You can use any quote of your choice, okay? I only want to use this one. You can use any one of your choice. Sorry, let me lock that image. Lock. Alright, so I don't have anything moving on the background again. Fine. So you bring this down here like this. Yeah, 17 is okay. You come to the fonts. I'm using Montserrat. Montserrat is a common font. You can easily download it from anywhere. So let me use a Montserrat Light. No, Montserrat regular. Yeah, Montserrat regular for my design. Yeah. So we're good to go. So I'll copy it again. I'll duplicate it. This time I'll reduce this one. Reduce it. You can actually write something else there. Okay. You can actually write something else there. All right. So the next thing I want to do is I want to write down the dates. So this is how I'm going to write the date. 22 DC 2022. So that's it. So you come here. Okay, you come here, you come to you reduce the size. So you have to be a kind of contrast in the size. So you're going to use Bebas, but not the Bebas bold. Use Bebas regular this time. Alright, yeah. So Bebas is going to give us what we need. So let's spread it a little bit. Yeah. So here we go. No. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. You move it here. One more. Yeah. Relative. And then move it somewhere around here. Now the next thing quickly I want to do is I want to write her name. Her name is actually Winner Fortune. So you capitalize everything, reduce the size. What we want to give, there are different ways you can actually, okay, so let's leave the size at 13. So you come to your size, go to Montserrat, it should be Montserrat. Don't use more than 2 fonts, 2 typeface, right? This help you to kind of maintain so that you're, yeah. So now that we have this, you increase to the center, you align to the center, yeah. So you can see how beautiful this is looking already. So the next thing to do is okay, I'll just create a kind of effect on the background with her name, Fortune, yeah. So what I'm going to use is autograph. I'm going to come to this font, autograph. You can download it from thatfont.com. Yeah, this autograph, the name of the font is called autograph. All right, so you increase it very well, rotate it. Let's close this back, go back and lock everything that is movable. Yeah, lock the layers. So this is it. You increase to this point and then you rotate it this way, bring it somewhere around here, and then you reduce the opacity. Yeah, you can duplicate it and then bring another one somewhere around this place, or even somewhere around this place. yeah, somewhere around this place. Take it to the back. Now come here quickly. We don't want it to go to the back completely, so we bring it here. Yeah, let it be here. Reduce the opacity because we don't want it to be a distraction, so you reduce the opacity to somewhere around this point. So you lock, go back, lock. So alright guys, and now you can change the color of this particular glass inside to any color of your choice. That is why we have to put that shape inside. Alright, so let me change the color and see which one. Should we leave it here? Which one? Do you think this one is good? This one is good? Or do you think this one? I think this one is cool, right? Yeah, this one is cool. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, share with your friends so that they can also learn how to create awesome design. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.